Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z9s 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to activate developer options in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. First of all, in your phone, go to the settings. Go to settings. Then here go to about phone. And here select software information. And here's find build number. Just tap 7 times on build number and it will ask your password to authenticate. Give it. Yes, you are now a developer. So go back and you will see the developer options here. In system management, you will have the developer options activated. So you can go to developer options and you can see the what are all the items available in developer options. If you would like to use that particular features, you can use it. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.